Good afternoon, adventure seekers. October 13th. A little Santa Maria air show practice. Got some military jets. Look like we have a couple of these barnstormers getting ready to take off here in a minute or two. So we'll just check it out for a while, see what we can see. Get some planes coming right overhead. It's always a cool thing. Stay tuned. Alright, adventure seekers, air show preview here. Check this guy out. Tag teams getting ready to take off here. Both lining up. Adventure seekers over here at the airport. Give you a quick little view. Some of the planes that will be practicing. And tomorrow for the air show, 15th and 16th, 12 to noon. Gotta go check it out. Check checking out the planes. Trying to get the close-ups. Should be a good air show. Staging them, cleaning them up, getting ready to rock and roll. Alright, adventure seekers, about as close a view as they're going to let me get. These aircraft that have been flying over the house causing all that commotion. Alright, hopefully you're going to run again. I get some more chances of getting some close-ups when they fly overhead. For right now, looks like they're doing some prep work. So I'm going to get back over to the airport and see if these guys are going to take off and have some more fun. Jetpack on that thing or something. Took off in a heartbeat and jammed. Alright, adventure seekers. Here comes the biplane, jet power. Probably went all the way to Pismo and back. Here he comes. Check him out. He's got the maneuverability to do whatever he wants, folks. Red Baron.